You will only learn from failures. You can never learn from success. Hardships, failures, are all part of that journey. Are all part of growth. May napanood nga ako, sabi niya, you can never learn from success. You will only learn from failures. And somehow I agree with that because my biggest lessons in life happened to be on those low seasons of my journey. Yung mga panahon na lugnok, talo, depressed, along the way of braving through that phase, doon ko nare-realize yung mga natututunan ko. Doon ako nagkakaroon ng self-reflection. And I feel like having a growth mindset is very important for that to happen. Maging bukas ka for anything and everything.